Get ready for a rapid-fire news blitz. First up, a seismic shift in the social media landscape as TikTok's U.S. operations are eyed for a potential acquisition by a powerhouse consortium including Oracle, Andreessen Horowitz, and Silver Lake. Will this deal with President Xi Jinping redefine global tech? Then, we dive into Oracle's explosive stock surge, pushing it into dot-com bubble territory. Is AI driving a new tech boom or a dangerous inflation? We've also got the inside scoop on Oracle's bullish fuel indicator, flashing warnings and opportunities for major market players. And finally, can Oracle actually hit $1 trillion valuation in 2025, fueled by the AI revolution? Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Breaking news: the future of TikTok's U.S. presence hangs in the balance. This monumental deal, involving tech titans like Oracle, Andreessen Horowitz, and Silver Lake, aims to create a distinctly American version of the massively popular social media app. It's a move that could reshape U.S.-China tech relations and determine the fate of one of China's most valuable companies, which boasts nearly 170 million young American users. The proposed framework agreement, hashed out between U.S. and Chinese officials, is designed to satisfy U.S. national security concerns by significantly reducing ByteDance's stake in its U.S. operations to below 20%. Oracle is set to play a crucial role, continuing to provide essential cloud services for TikTok's U.S. operations, a continuation of their Project Texas partnership. This deal, valued potentially between $35 billion and $40 billion, also involves ByteDance licensing its powerful recommendation algorithm technology to the new U.S. entity. However, significant questions remain about the final price and the exact stakes each investor will hold. This developing story has already seen Oracle's stock react, with analysts and the public closely watching how this complex negotiation unfolds and what it means for the broader tech industry and international relations. But is this the only seismic shift happening in the tech world? Stay tuned as we uncover whether Oracle's stock is soaring to new heights or teetering on the edge of a bubble. Is Oracle's incredible stock surge a sign of AI-driven innovation or a dangerous market bubble? Oracle's shares have skyrocketed over 80% this year, making it one of the S&P 500's top performers, largely on the back of scorching demand for AI computing power. The company projects a staggering 700% revenue jump in its cloud computing business over the next 3 fiscal years, a forecast that sent its stock up a dramatic 36% in a single day. This AI-fueled rally has pushed Oracle's valuation into territory not seen since the dot-com era, with its price-to-estimated earnings ratio now higher than many other tech giants, including NVIDIA, despite NVIDIA's faster projected sales growth. Investors are betting heavily on Oracle's long-term growth potential, with the heaviest gains expected several years down the line. Analysts are divided, with some expressing skepticism about the aggressive growth assumptions and others pointing to the massive potential if Oracle's AI infrastructure and services fully materialize. The company's connection to the ongoing TikTok negotiations further adds to the dynamic market narrative surrounding Oracle. Wall Street remains largely optimistic, with a significant majority of analysts recommending a buy, as they weigh the long-term AI potential against the current high valuation and the inherent risks in forecasting future growth. But what if this AI boom is just the beginning of Oracle's ascent? Get ready, because we're diving into what could send Oracle's valuation soaring even higher. A little-known indicator, bullish fuel, is flashing red and green signals for major market players. While specific earnings details for Oracle Corporation are not readily available in this context, the mention of bullish fuel suggests a deep dive into technical analysis and market sentiment indicators. These indicators are designed to predict significant market movements, flagging stocks that could be on the verge of either a dramatic crash or an impressive surge. This particular indicator aims to identify potential shifts in market momentum by analyzing various data points, offering insights beyond traditional financial metrics. The implication is that bullish fuel is signaling significant potential for stocks like Oracle, prompting a closer look at the underlying factors driving these potential movements. The analysis suggests that some of the biggest names in the market are being flagged, making it crucial for investors to understand which stocks are next to experience extreme volatility. The context implies that this analysis is part of a broader research effort to identify high-potential investment opportunities and potential risks, urging caution and thorough investigation before making any investment decisions. Could Oracle be one of the stocks poised for an astronomical rise? Prepare yourself for a bold prediction about Oracle's future market value. Will Oracle shatter expectations and reach a staggering $1 trillion valuation by 2025? Fueled by the transformative power of artificial intelligence, Oracle is strategically positioning itself to become a dominant force in data management and cloud services. The company's recent fiscal Q1 results highlight its leadership in cloud-based data services, with guidance indicating continued, even accelerating, growth in the coming years. Oracle's path to a $1 trillion valuation hinges on its robust data center infrastructure and its ubiquitous presence across various cloud platforms, making it a leader in the multi-cloud environment. Major players like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are increasingly relying on Oracle for their AI infrastructure needs, driving unprecedented growth in Oracle's hyperscaler business. The company's aggressive expansion of its data center footprint is expected to significantly boost service demand and revenue. Furthermore, the upcoming release of Oracle AI Database, designed to integrate with existing networks and offer clients access to various LLMs, is poised to further cement its position. Analysts are increasingly bullish, with upgrades and boosted price targets reflecting confidence in Oracle's AI strategy and contracted deals, projecting a backlog that could exceed $500 billion. This optimism, coupled with institutional buying and potential for capital returns through share buybacks or dividends, paints a picture of strong future performance. But even with all this potential, there are other top-rated stocks analysts are buzzing about. Don't miss our lightning round recap of all today's top stories. And that's a wrap on today's Tech Deep Dive. We saw TikTok's U.S. operations potentially heading to a consortium led by Oracle, Andreessen Horowitz, and Silver Lake. Oracle's stock is making waves, sparking bubble talk amidst AI demand, while a bullish fuel indicator hints at major market shifts. Plus, the bold prediction that Oracle could hit a $1 trillion valuation by 2025, driven by AI. If you found this information valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for all your essential tech updates, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Follow us on all social platforms for more insights and join the conversation in the comments below.